Hey y'all, it's your girl Essence, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I got this super nice, defined, soft, and bouncy wash and go using all Shea Moisture products. I use them exactly how the label told me to, so I might make another video using my regular wash and go process, but I hope you guys like it, and if you do, comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what I should do next, because you know you guys are family, you know y'all need to come back for every video. Let me know how I'm doing, you feel me? So without further ado, let's get into the video. You're the best part. You're the best part. You're the best part. You're the best part.
1 hour later.
This conditioner is so thick and it has so much slip. It was so easy for me to detangle my hair, and when I tell you it's literally been a month and a half since I detangled, it was a breeze. I like to detangle while I'm still in the shower while using either a wide tooth comb or by finger detangling, and then after I detangle I like to twist up the sections. It just makes it easier when I'm washing it out so that I don't create any more tangles. And then after each section is detangled, you go ahead and rinse it out. And this is what my hair is looking like after I have freshly detangled and washed it. I dried my hair with a cotton t-shirt, and this is just me unraveling it. This is how my hair looks. It's about 70% dry. The products call for your hair to be damp, so I will be spraying my hair with water throughout this process. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to take a section on the back, and I'm going to tie my hair up, and then from that section I'm going to take an even smaller section and pin the rest up. Like I said before, my hair has already started to dry, so I'm going back in with some water. Each of the products are very specific on how to use them, so this is the first step of styling with the curl primer. You're going to smooth it onto your hair, and then it's very specific about the fact that I want you to use the shingling method. And if you don't know what that is, I'm doing it right now. You go and take a small section and go in even smaller sections and twirl the curl around your finger to define it even more to get some really good curl definition. Once you have finished that, you go on to the second step of styling, which is the gel oil, and you are supposed to smooth it onto your hair in a praying hand style in order to distribute the product evenly. Here I am repeating the steps in order again, so I'm going through the shingling method, and then after that I'm going to use the gel oil and smooth it out praying hand style, and that's pretty much it. And you're going to continue that same process all over your head. You're the best part. You're the best part. You're the best part. You're the best part. Here I am on the very last section of hair. It didn't take too long. It took maybe like 3 hours. And the process is quite tedious, but the definition and the longevity of the style that you'll get is so worth it, I promise. Won't you give me something to read? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. And that's it, y'all. I hope you liked the video, and if you you did, please, like I said again, comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on my socials. I will follow y'all back. But yeah, let me know what I should do next. Until then, see y'all next time.